People like raspberry jelly for its sweet tart flavor and vibrant fruitiness. In this video, we're going to make this sweet, vibrant jelly. In our bowl here are some gorgeous raspberries we got from our neighbor. Thanks so much for the raspberries, Jared. Whether you got a nice neighbor like us or bought them from the store, all will work for this recipe. These raspberries we soaked in water and some vinegar to make sure they are clean and get rid of any bugs. Our jars we sterilize in boiling water to make sure the jelly goes in clean containers. We eat this amount of jelly fast enough that sealing them will not be needed. But if you are doing a larger batch than us with this recipe and aren't going to eat it up rather quickly, make sure you seal your jars. Now it's time to rinse the raspberries to get that vinegar off them so the jam doesn't have a vinegar taste to it. After using sink water, we finish it off with distilled water. I highly recommend having a kitchen scale like this one. My mother-in-law gave us this scale and it works excellent for recipes, especially this one. This scale makes it easy as you just zero your scale and weigh what you want. Now that we weighed the raspberries, we will weigh our sugar. For this recipe, we take the total grams of raspberries and multiply that by 0.75 as we want 3/4 the amount of sugar to fruit. We got our sugar from Walmart and this sugar does well in all our jelly recipes. Lemon is the last ingredient. And that's what we love about this recipe and all our recipes is we try to keep them as simple as possible. This recipe is so easy as all you need for ingredients is raspberries, sugar, and lemon juice. We chose to use real lemons. One, it works great. And two, it is better for you than the bottled lemon juice that either has preservatives or it sat on the shelf and isn't as fresh as a freshly squeezed lemon. Either will work. But if you have the time to use a real lemon, I would recommend going that route. We are adding our sugar and lemon juice again. Go by the directions I left in the description. One thing to note is I made a mistake on this recipe and used a half teaspoon instead of a half tablespoon. I will leave both amounts in the directions below as both made great jelly. If you like less lemon juice, you can get away with much less than I originally meant to put in this recipe, and it still firms up just fine. Make sure to start out at medium-low temperature until the sugar all melts. To check if it is ready to turn up to medium-high heat, a good test is to drag your wooden spoon and you shouldn't feel any grit or any sugar scraping on the bottom of the pot. This raspberry jelly recipe is so tasty, and the great thing is it only has 3 ingredients: fresh raspberries, sugar, and lemon juice. As this vibrant jelly simmers, let's explore why raspberries are so special. These little fruits are bursting with health benefits. They're rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts your immune system and helps protect against cell damage. A single cup delivers about 8 grams of fiber, supporting digestion and heart health by lowering cholesterol. Raspberries also contain L-genic acid, which research suggests may reduce inflammation and even have anti-cancer properties. Did you know raspberries come in red, black, purple, and golden varieties? Each type offers a unique flavor twist. Botanically, they're not true berries but aggregate fruits, made of tiny drupelets, each with a seed. Russia leads the world in raspberry production, harvesting over 180,000 tons yearly. Raspberries have a rich history enjoyed since ancient Greece and were once a symbol of kindness in folklore, often gifted to friends. Low in calories at just 64 per cup, they're a sweet, guilt-free treat. Their vivid color comes from anthocyanins, which may boost brain health and memory. As we pour this raspberry jelly into jars, let's dive into some raspberry facts. These fruits thrive in fertile, well-drained soil, start producing in their second year, and each plant can yield a few hundred raspberries annually. Imagine all that fruit in your backyard or at a neighbor's house like us. Our family loves this jelly so much, it's gone before it could spoil, so we skip pressure sealing or hot water bathing. Trust me, it's that good. For a bigger batch, we'd use those methods to keep it fresh longer. Enjoy your jelly, and please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.